faces. It's embarrassing as hell. It feels disrespectful. I hate it. You know, I fault myself, but actually it's just a fact of the perceptual system. Your perceptual system is tuned to the statistics of its input. And it's not so plastic later in life. A way to simulate a version that some of you may have experienced is whatever race of faces you have less experience with. If you find those people hard to distinguish, it's not that you can't tell it's a face. It's not that you could tell, that you wouldn't be able to tell if the nose was in the wrong place. It's just hard to tell one person from another. So it's a lot like that. I really need to get going, so I'll take one more question and go.
Wait, could you like kind of use an analogy? It's like being able to tell people apart by like their hands or something, like to the point that like you just like, you know, you can't really tell people apart by like their hands usually. So is that kind of how people with face blindness feel? Like it's just looking at a body.
If that's all you had, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably, yeah. And there is, by the way, in interesting literature, you show people photographs of their own hand and a bunch of other hands. People can't pick out their own hand from. So yeah, you're right. We're not so good at that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. If you guys are interested, I could post. There's a whole fascinating literature here. But actually, I got dinged last year for talking about face recognition too much and prosopagnosia. We all heard about it in 900. So I took most of that out, and now you guys are asking me, so I don't know what the right thing is. But I'm going to go on, and I will put some optional readings online, especially if you send me an email and tell me to do that. Okay, so point is, faces matter a lot. They matter, you know, for the quality of life. They're important because they convey a huge amount of information, not just the identity of the person, but also their age, sex, mood, race, direction of attention. So if I'm lecturing like this right now, and I start doing that, you guys are going to wonder what the hell's going on over there. Yeah, I saw a few heads turn. I'm just doing a little demo here. Right? We're very attuned to where other people are looking. Okay, so this is just one of many different social cues we get from faces. They're just an incredibly rich bunch of information in a face. We read in aspects of people's personality from the shape of their face, even though it's been shown with some interesting recent studies